Hello. So I really wasn't gonna plan to make a video, but I missed like a lot of stuff, and I'll try to restart it. So I might not show everything about it. I'm gonna feed you this turd. Only feed her when it's. You need to be raised higher. Is that your problem? Don't look at me like that.
See you for one reason.
I hate you. You can knock her dentures out. But you could feed her until she would throw up. You can feed her, she'd throw up. But I'm more excited of the shaver and what's this? Guys, we have a secret. If you could tell me what that does, what to put there, tell me in the comments, because I want to know. That looks cool. And it might not even be out yet. Just, let's give her a beer for it. Let's cut off her butt. Let's give her a bald spot. Come on, Granny. Come on. Gotta do what your cat says. Okay. Just gonna get up here.
Finish here.
And walk.
Finish here.
Don't say that. Come on, let me
do for me.
Bald spot. Ah, you messed it up, Granny. Okay, this has to be something I need. Put there.
Finish here.
Okay, there's something like over here.
Finish here.
Will she bonk me? That hurt. I'm mad. But not too mad. Because really, I just... Okay, where's the thing I saw? I don't know why, but it keeps on glitching where she just is always gonna attack. Where's this thing I saw? So, oh, it's right there. I wanted Granny to wear this. Superhero landing. She's gonna call 911. That cat is
Yes. I'm listening. Who's this option?
I'm gonna grab her phone. I wish you could do that. Hopefully, that's something. You can grab her phone. Okay, Granny. Gonna need to knock. Granny, I'm going to need you to knock you out. Don't you disappear. Uh-oh. Horse Granny! Robo! Robo! Protect me! Protect me!
Finish here.
You did it, Robo! I'll go get the weapon. I'll go get it. I'll go get it. I'll go get it. Okay, I'm gonna see if you can use like glasses. Uh-oh, where's Granny's mad?
Open the seal.
Where'd it go?
Open the seal. You can't run from me.
It sounds like she's saying you can't run from me. Oh, I could put it in my mouth. What if she is saying you can't run from me? Whoa, I've never seen that happen in this game before. Oh, I can't fly, I forgot. I thought I was playing the other game that I haven't ever played on the channel. Because it's not, you probably won't like it. Okay, I'm gonna need these to move. Does that despawn? This to move, just... Yep. No. Will this work? How do you open it? What if we need the one and only Turd the Third? Just give me that. Give me the turd. And then let's go up. Let's go ahead and go up. And see if this will open the door. If it does, this will be the best discovery I ever made. Okay, just don't fall. Just don't fall. It's just hard to fall for some reason. Oh. Will this work? Nope. Let's break it. Let's break it. Will this work? I like it. I love my poo. It has to be round, but I don't know what it is. That's weird. Okay, man.
Is it?
Okay, so if you could comment down below, what if it's these dentures? Okay, I'm gonna have to knock those dentures out. Pretty dentures. Where are they? I gotta see. Oh, they're out. They are out. Where'd your dentures go? Where'd your dentures go? They're right there? Can you wear them? I don't know if this is biting them or wearing them. It might be biting them. Can I grab this? Okay, will this work? Come on, you take dentures? Okay, I ran out of ideas. So you can comment down below what I should do for that vault or painting thing. Wait, painting thing. Imagine it was one of these that had like something behind them. So this is gonna be it. This looks cool. I love it. So see you later. and bye.